Welcome back to Delstack Tech Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on Google Maps. The first step is to open Google Maps on your desktop or mobile phone. Make sure that you're already logged into your Google account because this is required. Now go to the top left corner and click on the sidebar menu. Here you'll see an option called Language. Click on it and you can select any language you want based on your preference. For example, I've selected French, so the interface will appear in the French language. Just like this, the voice navigation will also change according to the language you select. So that's it. This is how you can change the language on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. For more easy tech tutorial notifications, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.